All right. Hello, Zoomers. This is Professor Joe coming to you live again. Today, we're going to be talking about how to change the skin tone of your emojis within your Zoom application. It's super quick and easy, very simple. This is going to be a super short video. So hang on for this quick ride. We're going to do this together. All right. You first need to start by opening your Zoom client. And now I'm just showing you a screenshot of mine here. But just click on this little cog in the upper right corner to get after the settings menu of your Zoom application. When you click that little settings cog, it's going to open this screen for you, and boom, as you can see right there, you have your skin tone reaction settings right here in the main settings page. Super simple and easy to do. And if you choose and click on each one of these, it will simply save that preference for you, and you don't have to worry about it for any of your remaining Zoom meetings. So thanks for watching. Super quick and easy video. Check out some of my other videos for more information on how you can make your Zoom experience a little bit better. And thanks. See you later.